A legal battle is brewing between Prince George's County and the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning Commission. The commission filed a lawsuit against the county over a budget dispute. The agency says county leaders are unlawfully taking money meant for parks, recreation, and planning. But as our Alexis Wainwright reports, county leaders are fighting back.
The fight over millions of taxpayer dollars is now headed to court. Now, the Maryland National Capital Parks and Planning Commission filed a lawsuit asking a judge to block Prince George's County from taking more than $39 million from its budget. Now, we've been speaking with county leaders all day, and just again in a press conference here, they say they acted within the law.
So over the next several days, I'll be reaching out to the council, reaching out to Park and Planning, hoping that we can resolve any outstanding issues. But again, the project charges that were at issue that the county council lawfully passed is a practice that has existed for over 2 decades.
The lawsuit centers on the recent county budget plan that would transfer money from the Maryland National Capital Park and Planning funds into county-controlled programs. County Executive Aisha Bravoy says the council approved the budget and her focus was delivering a balanced spending plan. But not everyone on the council is comfortable with how the process unfolded.
Hold the vote again because there are significant changes to this draft of the budget.
Ivy says she requested another vote but was told by legal counsel it wasn't necessary.
I don't think that it's a good idea to let the public believe that we're trying to hide something.
Councilmember Edward Burrows says the money in question comes from county taxpayers and should be used to address community needs. Burrows also accused Park and Planning of prioritizing administrative spending while scaling back some community services.
How is it possible for them to decide that it's not worth covering the cost of the Oxon Hill Boys and Girls Club and canceling their season or their ability to use a field permit over $3,500? So I welcome the conversation.
We reached out to Park and Planning, but they have not responded. But in their lawsuit, the commission argues taking the money would hurt parks, recreation programs, and planning projects across the county. The county leaders disagree.
I'm concerned that Park and Planning cares more about paying their executives than providing money for programs for children in our communities.
Now, the commission is asking a judge for an emergency order to block the transfer before it takes effect. In the meantime, no court date has been announced just yet, but we know council members Jolene Ivy and Sydney Harrison have already asked for a final vote on that budget. Reporting in Prince George's County, Alexis Wainwright, WUSA 9.